Hello guys, welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 keys not working. So just please follow my steps one to one until the end and let's see how to do this. So at the beginning go and click here and then go to settings, and then whenever you arrive to settings go to accessibility here. Just scroll down a little bit until you find keyboard and click on it, and go to on-screen keyboard and click over here to be able to see this keyboard on the screen, and then click over here and at the search bar search for run here, and I'm gonna search for reg edit. I'm sorry, not this one. Reg edit, and click on OK over here. And now here you're gonna search for key local machine. Expand here, key local machine, and then go for system. And now expand curl control set, and now expand services. And now just scroll down here until you can find i8. So just whenever you can find it over here, that's the one. i8042. Expand this one, or you're gonna click on it and then right side go to start over here and right click here and click on modify, and here you're gonna change this value to 1, and whenever you change it to 1 click on OK and restart your computer, and that's how we're gonna fix this issue. So at the end, that was all today's video. I hope this video is very helpful and useful, so please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.